Alright, I got this one running. We'll put it up for sale. I mean, it's in great shape. It's really clean. Oh, water splash, but she times out good. It's got my remote hooked up and wiring harness. So it's pretty good to go. And it doesn't have a tilt and trim. The wire harness is cut all down, but it goes here. Maybe if I get it in with one hand. But yeah, it's got a new switch box. It's got a new stator, new coils, new plug wires, new plugs. Carburetor's been rebuilt. So that's all done. P's good. Shift's good. Shift's real good, actually. I'm running on the hose too. It's good to run it both ways. They run good in the bucket and then in the hose. It really makes a difference. You can tell a difference. I like getting on my tools right. This one was kind of a struggle because the carburetor, they really monkeyed it up and I had to get another carburetor, which is really odd. Usually don't have to do that, but anyway, well, it's dark in here now. Sorry. But yeah, somebody monkeyed up the carburetor, so I had to get another carburetor and replace it. They basically everywhere where there's a jet, they stripped them out. And it wasn't any good. So anyway, it was running pretty good for somebody.